I'm often asked, how do I think about building AI features into a product? What are some of the techniques that I apply when I'm building them in? And so here we are. This is the AI configuration. So all of this is in admin mode. So all of these menu items are the integrated back office into the SaaS platform that I've built here called Surface Scope, offensive security, AI powered, so on and so forth. There are a number of features that are powered by AI within the web app itself. And you can see them here. A couple of chat interfaces, predictive risk, remediation planning, et cetera, et cetera. And decision number one was, for me, I didn't want to be locked into a particular model provider. And so when I build something, I often go for a little bit more of an agnostic solution that allows some flexibility and modularity and configurability. And so here we're looking at that, and that's how this is working in the back office using Vercel's AI SDK and Vercel's AI Gateway. I'm able to, for each of these features, pick a different model. Everything defaults to Gemini 3 Flash because I've found that that offers the best combination of speed or performance, quality of output, as well as price. And so when you're balancing all three of those things, you want features that deliver value, that do it in a reasonable time frame so that customers or users can remain happy and not introducing friction. And then also that you want to make sure the output, the result, is useful for what the application is trying to accomplish. And we have here an example of that where the people agent is particularly problematic for a smaller company like my day job at Memory Labs, where there's not a lot of public information about the company and the founders. And so I've played with a lot of different models and found that Sonar Pro from Perplexity seems to have the right kind of built-in search tooling and training to give me a reasonably accurate result. It's not the one that gives me the most people, but it's usually the right people. And then Grok 4.1 fast reasoning for the tech agent, as well as non-reasoning for the company and funding information, has been a good performance balance for me here. And then I'm still using Gemini Flash on some of the main components here. And then the way that you do this is you just pick a different model and then you hit save, or you can override back to Gemini very easily. And then as I build more features, they will be accessible here in the back office. Here they are on the front end. You have the overview, the people, the technology, the funding. Going over here, you have the AI chat, the predictive risk analysis, the remediation reporting, etc. And so each one of these, I'll just go make a change and then just run it again over here, see if I like the results. I do think that the wording coming out based on the combination of models that I'm using, as well as the suggested list. For example, Grok gave me a much better list here of these domains and potential attack surfaces. And so that's why I switched over to Grok and for that particular feature. Hope this was helpful and provided some ideas around building AI into your product. Thanks for watching.